Right, in this video we're going to show you how to replace this lid assembly, this screw on here that holds down the jar top valves, the jar top area of the valve that we have here. This applies to three different types of valves. We've got the female threaded, the male threaded, and also we have the anti-siphon. So it's the same part for all three. So to get started, make sure that your water is off by shutting off the main water line so that when you pull this valve apart you don't get sprayed all over. Next thing you do is remove the solenoid from the valve. If you're able to, you can leave that wired and just sort of tuck it aside. And then you pull off the top, unscrew that. Now you may want to hold down this lid assembly because there is a spring under here that holds down the diaphragm, and if that's not situated fully, it can sometimes pop off and little parts can get lost. So just hold that down. You replace the new ring here. It should go on pretty easily. If not, you could have a problem with cross threading, so just make sure that's the case. And then you just replace the solenoid like so. Then we can turn our water back on, give it a test, make sure it works, and we're set, good to go. So that's how you get that taken care of, pretty simple. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks.